Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Saturday. Guess what? I've just found an AI tool that transforms your idea into interactive games. This AI tool is called Chaotix AI. With Chaotix AI, you can turn your ideas into interactive games instantly without any coding experience. So to use this AI tool, you need to come over here and click Try Chaotic. When you register for the tool, you'll be given 50 credits. Although I've generated some games just to test out the tool, so that's why I'm having 46 credit here. So to use this AI, what you need to do is to come over here, and type in your text prompt. Then the next thing you would do is to click on generate. So once your generation is complete, you will have something like this. So I'm going to click on play now to test out the game. So the game is loading. So this is the game. So I'm going to click play. So I can click to jump. Jump. Game over. So you can see you can interact with the game to feel how the game is. This game was created based on the test prompt I imputed at the beginning. So to test out this tool, you can go to chaotix.ai. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be informed. So thank you for watching.